Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I want to tell my international viewers how to apply for airport job. I know my guys are understanding English, but my international viewers are not understanding Urdu and Hindi language. That's why I want to make one playlist for my international viewers. We have already one playlist for my Asian people, which peoples are understanding Urdu and Hindi language. We have already one playlist. But my international viewers are not understand, and if I feel some information is missing this Urdu playlist, I will put more information in this playlist in English language. We will make one by one video and discuss all the points which one you have to face when you apply in Emirates Group career website. We will discuss all problems which one are you facing when you are applying in this Emirates Group career website, especially equipment operator jobs. Equipment operator jobs, not only 3 number license, 4 number and 6 number. In this website so many equipment operator jobs. I will show you one by one, but in this video I want to make one video for introduce Emirates Group career website, how to apply for airport jobs. And in this website not only one airport, not only Emirates DXB and DWC airport. Here in this website so many countries, and here in this website so many airports. I will show you one by one in this introducing video. So let's start this video. If you are not subscriber, so please you have to must subscribe and follow button and press bell icon. When I upload here video one by one this English playlist, you will receive one notification and you must have to watch that video. Let's start now, and I will show you how to apply on Emirates Group career website. You have to go from here and search here Emirates Group career website. This website just for airport aviation peoples. When you search Emirates Group career, you have to see here, this is original website. You can see this logo, Emirates Group carriers. When you open this website, this is a first page website. You have to scroll here, but don't go there. I will show you. You can see a downside, but come first here, these 3 dots you are seeing here. When you click here, you have to see in downside all open positions. In here you can see every vacancies which one is open position now, but you can see all departments: airline and airport operations, cabin crew, commercial, corporate, customer service, engineering, information technology, even pilot. All guys are applying only through this website, no another options. If you are going another option, there is only just supply companies, and when you apply supply companies, and that is very difficult future for you. Please, if you want to come directly in this airport, in aviation, in Emirates, you have only one option, no others. You have only one option, this website. If you are applying here and you are selected, this is direct procedure. No another option, no one is agent, no one is agency, only one website. Okay, so now you can easily log in from here. When you are applying for a job, I will show you how is possible, because some people are facing problem here, login problem. I will solve all your matters, but I don't want to log in now. I want to show another site for this website. So now you can see all vacancies here for equipment operators, for ground handling, for check-in staff, for customer service staff, for Marhaba staff. All staffs applying from here. You can see here so many vacancies open now. So first I want to tell you this 3 dot downside. This is front of search bar. You can see here 3 dots. When you click here, you can see categories, countries and brands. If you are click here categories, you can see this all categories you already see before. Go back and you can see here countries, and when you click here countries, you can see here so many countries, like 15 countries now. I think 15 countries vacancies open now. And what is the meaning? This is just Emirates staff, not that country staff. Emirates staff not working only in UAE, not only DXP and DWC. Emirates staff working internationally. Even Pakistan now, Pakistani vacancy also open now. You can see here this is Pakistan, and vacancy is open position now. When I select my country from here, see Pakistan, and I click on done, 2 vacancies available now, 2 jobs: license aircraft engineering Islamabad, and customer service and ticketing lead Islamabad. This is also Pakistan, but I want to show you this is United States of America. If you select here, you can see which vacancies are available now. Pakistan and United States of America. You can see United States only one vacancy open now. United States of America cargo manager. This is only one vacancy, but we have to apply small jobs. This is very big and very high qualified jobs. Very big experience you need when you want to apply here. You have to experience maybe 10-year plus experience if you want to apply internationally. Okay, so now I don't want to click here, I want just go inside and see which vacancies are now this is all vacancies internationally and nationally, but too much is United Arab Emirates. If you want to apply equipment operators, you can search here. My suggestion is you have to scroll now and you can see here if your vacancy open, and you can apply easily there. For example, if you want to apply, I will show you next videos how to apply and what is procedure to apply, what is required to apply for job, how to check portal, how to check a summary, how to check vacancy requirement. When you complete your requirement, you can apply easily. I will show you how is possible. So if you want to come directly for airport job, you have only one option for UAE. You have only one website. I already show you Emirates Group carrier. If you want to come airport from your employment visa, from your agency, from your country, that is not direct job. I already told in my Urdu playlist, people are coming from country not applying directly, they are going agencies and applying there, and after people are understand this is not direct, this is supply companies, and supply company is very difficult life, and no money, no eating, no food, very difficult life. I will tell you how is that. So please, you have to must come in this website. Don't go any agency if you want to come directly in the Nata, directly in Emirates. Give me permission to go now. We will meet you in next video. Thank you.